In this video, I'll be showing you how to update Xbox controllers in Windows. So I will be using Windows 10, however, the methods are very similar in Windows 11. So to begin with, first we need to open up the Start menu, and you then need to type in Store. You now need to open up the Microsoft Store. Once you have the store open, you then need to click in the Search Apps section, and you now need to type in Xbox, and then space, Accessories. You will then see an option for Xbox Accessories app. You need to open this, and it will take you to a page that looks like this. You now need to go ahead and press Get. Once the Xbox Accessories app is installed, go ahead and press Open. Okay, once the Xbox Accessories app is open, you now need to go ahead and plug the USB cable into your computer for your Xbox controller. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So once you've done that, you now need to plug your controller into the cable. So I've got an Xbox Series X controller in front of me at the moment, and I'm now going to go ahead and plug this controller in. You will then notice that the controller vibrates, and it should power on. You will then get a window pop up asking you to sign into your Xbox account if you haven't done so already. So I'm actually already signed in, so that's why the window didn't pop up for me. So once you've signed into your Xbox account, you will then see your controller on the screen like mine is at the moment. You now need to go ahead and press the three dots underneath your controller. You then need to go ahead and click on Update Now. And this is going to go ahead and update your Xbox controller. As you can see here, it's asking us to plug in the cable, but we've already done that, and our controller is already powered on, so everything's all good to go ahead and press Continue. So as you can see, it's now updating my Xbox Series X controller. Do not touch the controller while it's doing this, and do not definitely unplug the controller. So wait until it gets to 100% and then it will say completed. And there we go. As you can see, it now says my controller's updated. You can then go ahead and press next, and you can now unplug your controller. So I will quickly show you how to do this with an Xbox One controller. However, the process is the same. So I'm now going to go ahead and unplug my Xbox Series X controller. I've got the cable here ready for my Xbox One controller, and I'm now going to go ahead and plug it in. The controller has just vibrated and it's now turned on, and you can now see it on my screen. If I now click on the three dots again, and now click on Update, and then go ahead and press Continue, it will then begin to update my Xbox One controller. So that is how you update Xbox controllers in Windows. I hope this video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, click the like button below, and if you'd like to see more computer sluggish videos, then click on that subscribe button. If you do subscribe, then I will see you in the next video.